You brought a lawsuit against your doctor claiming that he violated the basic standards of medical care, causing you significant harm and injury. And now, after 2 hard-fought years, you finally settled the case in your favor. But now, you want to go back to your doctor so he can continue to treat you. Will he do that? Is it a good idea for you to do that? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And let me tell you something. After 2 hard-fought years of litigation against the doctor whom you originally loved, whom you originally trusted, do you really think this doctor is going to welcome you back into his practice after you just sued him? After you just obtained money as compensation for all the harms and injuries that he caused you? Really? I will tell you that in 100% of the cases, the doctor is not going to want to see you ever again, especially as a patient. Why would he ever do that? Your trust is gone. He no longer trusts you. You no longer trust him. Why would you ever want to go ahead and reestablish that doctor-patient relationship? If he treated you so poorly, why would you even have thoughts in your mind to then go back to him? Is it because you have guilt? You feel guilty that you went ahead and brought a lawsuit? Is it guilt that you were successful in obtaining money as part of your compensation for all the harms and losses you suffered? Whatever the reason is, it's not a good idea for you to try and return back to the doctor whom you sued. You know, I will tell you, there have been instances of patients, injured patients, who now have decided to bring a lawsuit against their doctor, and they continue to see and treat that same doctor while they're bringing a lawsuit. That is crazy. You want to know why it's crazy? Because now it's extremely awkward. You go in to tell the doctor about your problems, and now you expect them to treat you appropriately. Well, guess what? You now are in an adversarial relationship when you bring a lawsuit with your doctor. He's going to deny them and defend the case. So no longer is there that common trust that you normally have when you go to a doctor where you put your life in his hands. You trust him. You trust his education. You trust his experience. Is it a good idea to go back to the doctor whom you have sued? The answer is no, it's not. Will the doctor take you back? In all likelihood, absolutely not. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because this does come up from time to time, and I thought this would be helpful for you to understand as you're contemplating deciding whether or not to bring a lawsuit against your doctor who you believe caused you harm and injury. You know, I recognize you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but have not done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.